Hey sellers! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your business prices in Amazon Seller Central. Whether you're adjusting pricing for bulk buyers or staying competitive in the market, this tutorial will make it easy for you. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're in, head over to the Inventory tab. Now, click on Manage All Inventory under the Inventory tab. Here, you'll find a list of all your products. Find the product you want to update and check the pricing column. You'll see the business price option. Here you can easily update your business price. If you don't see the business price option, click on the Preferences tab at the top, enable business price, and save the changes. Here, you can also hide or unhide other column options according to your need. Now, go back to the product listing, click on Set under Business Price, and enter your desired price. It's recommended to keep the business price lower than your regular price to attract bulk buyers. For now I am entering the value of $595. Once you enter the business price and press Enter, you'll see an option to offer quantity discounts. This allows you to offer discounts on specified quantities. Here, I'm going to offer 5% off on the purchase of 5 units and another threshold 10% discount on the purchase of 10 units. You can add more discount levels or delete them based on your pricing strategy. Once you're done, click on Save Changes. Keep in mind, it may take a few hours for the changes to reflect on your product listing. And that's it. Your business pricing and quantity discounts are now updated. Offering bulk discounts is a great way to attract business buyers and increase your sales. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Amazon seller tips. See you in the next one.